How to speak more clearly. You may have wonderful vocal resonance and also have the confidence to give your voice the volume to be heard, but that's no good in communication if your voice is not clear enough. Words need to be precisely pronounced, with endings not cut off, and this is so important, especially if English is not your first language.
A lot of people are pretty lazy when it comes to speaking, so please make sure you aren't one of them. One way to make your voice clearer is in a way to oil up your mouth so it makes it easier to get every syllable out, no matter what speed you're talking at. Professional voice actors and speakers do exercises like the ones we're showing you, so they give the best performances. Now the following are great vocal warm-up moves for everyone.
First, get your fists and push them into your cheeks and make small rotary motions. Don't tense up your face, just relax and enjoy a good 10 to 15 seconds worth of this cheek massage. Don't worry about looking silly.
Next, imagine that you have a huge piece of chewing gum in your mouth. Give it a really good chew around, and not just up and down, but really chew this imaginary lump of gum from side to side too. Again, 10-15 seconds will be enough as a warm-up to get your jaw nice and oiled.
Next, this one many singers do before they perform. It's called the silent laugh. This needs you to relax your shoulders and neck areas and have a good laugh about anything. And really open that mouth wide for another 10 seconds. Again, keep relaxed and let yourself go.
Now shake it all out. Loll your head from side to side. Shake your floppy arms around. Mix this with a few shoulder rolls too.
And finally, really give your mouth a workout by saying these 4 letters in order, very clearly and precisely. We want you to say Q, then E, then Q, then R. When you say Q, your mouth is tiny and squashed up for the Q sound to come out. For E, you stretch your mouth very wide like a letterbox. E. Then repeat the Q sound again like a tight little tiny mouth. And finally open very wide like you're at the dentist's. Ah. So now all together, Q, E, Q, R.
So how does your mouth feel now? Is it tingling? I bet some of those muscles around your mouth haven't been stretched like that for ages. These clarity exercises are absolute dynamite. You find yourself speaking much more precisely after doing these, and easy to remember, easy to do, especially before an important speech or presentation, or before out meeting new friends or people you want to impress with your voice. Clarity is very important for speech, especially if you're talking to new people unfamiliar with your speech patterns or even your accent.
We hope this has been useful. In the next video, we'll give you some pointers as to how to make your own voice deeper.
Hey, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below or watch the video once more, just in case there's something you've missed. Now over to my left, you can continue watching. Just click the video you'd like to watch next. And please click the thumbs up icon to let me know if you've enjoyed this video and found it informative. And if you've not done so already, remember to subscribe and click that bell icon so you don't miss any of my new videos.